Tony, how long has Mills CNC been dealing with Filtermist?
It's approximately 15 years that Mills have been dealing with Filtermist to supply our mist extraction units.
And why were they selected?
Well, I think with Filtermist, it's the brand that everybody knows, and that generally most of our customers, they don't ask for mist extraction, they ask for a Filtermist. So, generally that's what we supply.
And is it something you push on your customers? Do you recommend mist extraction?
Yeah, it's massive now, really. I mean, with future legislation coming up, more and more companies, it used to be aerospace and automotive manufacturers that were looking at the mist extraction for health and safety reasons, but now even your subcontractors, they're keeping the workshops cleaner. It helps reduce that raw oil residue. So, yeah, very important. A lot of customers expect that now.
So, health and safety is the obvious advantage. Are there any more?
There is actually, yes. What a lot of people don't realise is that by exhausting that warm, clean air out of the machine tool, you're helping control the ambient temperature within the machine, keeping it more stable, which again reduces any thermal growth and component accuracy issues. Well, by offering the Filtermist service that they offer to Mills, is that it's one less thing for us to worry about, because they actually service the Filtermist units on the machines, so when we go out we don't have to get involved with that. And obviously from a customer point of view, it's one less headache knowing that the mist extraction unit is serviced and that it's actually doing its job filtering clean air. Another reason why we use Filtermist is their professional approach. When they actually install the mist extraction units onto our machines, it's fully backed up by full risk assessments and method statements, because a lot of our customers now, we're dealing with large blue chip companies in many instances that expect the quality assurance standards to 9001.
So to conclude, it's a good relationship.
Yeah, very strong relationship. I think we talked to our ops team, we're supported very well by Filtermist, engineers availability, spares. So yeah, we have no complaints, very, very good partnership.